Hey there, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we're getting the tub wiped down. It's pretty dusty from sitting out here, and Leo, the cat, crawling all up in it. We're gonna get that wiped down, get some paint mixed up, and see if we can't spray this tub today. Alright, so this is a learning process. Never painted before with a sprayer, so there's some runs we're trying to figure out. We sprayed a little bit on some other practice material and got the sprayer set pretty decent. Now it's up to me to figure it out. It's spraying good, so I got to figure out the speed and everything. We didn't have more paint, so I didn't have a lot of chance to practice on some other material. So we kind of run a few lines across something else, and now we're hitting the trailer. So we're gonna end up doing a little sanding and respraying, but so far not too bad. All right, I think we're gonna call it for today. This is going to be a multi-day video as we go through the process of spraying the tub. I don't know if you can see if the light's showing you. There's some thin spots, and I'm okay with that because we're going to do another coat, and I'd rather have some thin spots to cover than overspray and get some runs like I did in other parts of it that we're going to be sanding. So for now, we're going to let it set, let it dry, and we'll come back out and do some sanding and get another coat on it probably tomorrow. Stay around. Stay around. Alright, now that this first coat has had a chance to dry, it really doesn't look as bad as we thought it was gonna, or at least as bad as I thought it was gonna. She had more hope than I did. There are a few spots we had some runs that we sanded out, so we're getting ready to mix up some more paint and put the next coat on. There's some thin spots, but I was thinking I would rather have a few thin spots to go over than try to cover them and end up having more runs. So we got it sanded up, we hit it with a tack cloth, so now we're going to mix up some paint and spray another coat. Alright, second coat on. Give you a look here. We are by no means professionals, but right now I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. So this is the second coat. We sanded, we took the tack cloth over it again and resprayed it. So now we're going to let it dry, see how everything sets up, and just take a look, see if there's any obvious runs or anything else we need to touch up. But at this point, I think we're good with the paint. Alright, so once this all dries up, if we decide we like the way it is and don't see too bad of runs in it, if there isn't any more touch-up going on, I think there's going to be a little bit more touch-up with the aerosol, just getting in around the hooks. The aerosol can will let me do that, I think, without spraying as heavy as the paint gun to not create more runs. But aside from a few little touch-ups, I think we're ready to set this tub back on the trailer. So next video should be reassembly. Yeah? Maybe. Maybe. We'll see. Thanks for watching.